I'm at 514 39th Street South, St. Petersburg, Florida 33711. What we're looking at here is the city's clean out that they just installed. I'll flip the camera around. The water is flowing on the bottom now. There's a lip right there. So that's not going to work. You're gonna have solids build up here all the time. That's just one of the first issues we're seeing. We're going to start pulling back, stop along the way, and we'll talk about some more issues that we've seen. I've already done a full scope of this whole thing just to get an idea what we're working with. We're going to pull back and see if we can see some more. There you go, you have another lip. That one's not as bad as the one at the city, but another issue. Another separated pipe. I think whoever did the outside sewer line must have just used Ferncos at every connection instead of using actual PVC coupling. This one's okay because it drops off into the next pipe, whereas the other ones have to step uphill to get to the next pipe. We continue pulling back. Right there, this is all going to be just from snaking, stuff breaking off the pipe. Right there you have a test tee, transition. Now we're into Orangeburg. Make an elbow. Take that back, we're not at Orangeburg yet. This is PVC, but it is just coated in something that caused it to turn black. It's hard to tell. And then a massive amount of buildup right here. This could have been a backup that sat for a long period of time. As you can see, the head's bobbling back and forth. Again, it's hard to tell at a first glance from a small camera screen, but this looks like Orangeburg. The way that it's collapsed and jagged. Probably going to lose you here. Not going to be able to see for a bit once we got some settling water. And we pop right back out of it. So yeah, PVC. It's just really jagged on this one part. I'm going to go forward again. I don't know what caused this buildup of stuff on the pipe. And PVC is supposed to be white on the inside. It may become somewhat discolored, but it shouldn't have chunks on it. Alright, let's see what else we got here. It's a good section. This is what you typically see. And now we're going back into sort of build up. settling water. Not terrible, not a terrible amount, but still settling water. Pulling back. We got a decent looking section here. Oh. That's a fitting that's barely glued in. Got like a 1-inch separation on that fitting. As you can see, stuff's just started settling in there. Not terrible, but still not good. It's actually a tie-in for another fixture. Now we got a nice section of pipe here. We're getting closer to the bathroom now. Another fitting barely glued in. Now we are coming up. I'm right at the toilet flange right now. That's not... It doesn't look like the correct fitting to be used in this situation. There's no direction of flow on this fitting. So if you look at it, it looks to me like this is a sanitary tee on its side. It has no direction of flow. So when the water goes down, it just hits right here. And it's going to lose all its speed right away. You got to think of a solid coming down and hitting that. It's not going to work. This is probably one of the biggest issues I've seen so far. I would say this would be something to get fixed immediately and see if it would solve all your problems. But this is definitely a major issue. And that's it, and wrap it up. A lot of issues on the sewer line. I'd say fix this first, though. This would probably solve a lot of the problem.